Let's get to know the external hard drive docking station by Unitek. Let's get into that box. We notice the docking station itself. We've got the power adapter and USB cable. So yes, this docking station is powered. It will not be powered by the USB cable, but will be powered by an outlet. And very simple, the outlet will plug into here. You've got a USB-C and an on and off switch. The unit is small, it can fit on any desk very, very comfortably, and can accommodate 2 hard drives of 16 terabytes each. Let me show you how easy it is to install a hard drive like this Seagate here. You can see the AB slot right here, and the connectors are right inside. And this is how easy it is to hook up. Done. Once your hard drive is docked like that, all you need to do is connect the USB-C cable and the power supply, and you'll be backing up your files in minutes. Compatible with Mac OS, Windows OS, and Linux, this docking bay also has a clone button right in the front. What does that do? If you have 2 hard drives connected, one press of the button will clone back up one drive to the other without the need of a computer, completely offline. Obviously, depending on the hard drive that you're utilizing, in this case, I have a Seagate 6 terabyte. I can copy 1 gigabytes worth of files in roughly 4 seconds. Completely plug and play, which means no drivers necessary. This Unitek docking station also has a 30-minute automatic shutoff if no read or write is occurring. Start organizing your digital life and make your backups a breeze with Unitek.